Okay, children. Now here we'll see a program where we are writing down the class. We are declaring the class. We are creating the object. A small program of what we have already discussed, the creation of the class and the objects. But here we'll see how we'll be writing down the class and the object in the program. Alright. Now see, in traditional programming what we used to do was we used to start the program with main. Alright. Now here we've written int main, otherwise we write in void main. But because this is object oriented, bottom up approach hai, so bottom part we have already written. Let us come to the up part. In the up part, now here we'll be writing down what? Class. Okay. Class, we give the name of the class. What is the name here we are giving? We are giving student as the name of a class. Now class, all the members will be within these curly braces. The class will be terminated with the help of a semicolon. The members will be between two access specifiers. One is private and the other is public. We know the meaning of the private and the public. We know the differentiation between the public visibility label and the private visibility label. What had we discussed was that in private we will give or declare our data members, and as public we will write down all the member functions. So this point is very important, and we have to understand this point before we are thinking about writing down the structure of the class. So the data members we have started writing are name, roll number and marks. Okay. These are the three data members we have written. I have not written any specifier. By default the specifier is private, we know that. And what is the second specifier? The second specifier is public. So under public I am declaring two member functions, get details and another member function. पहले get details का हम लोग body लिख लेते हैं. This member function is being defined inside the class, children. Two types, outside and inside the class. Here we are getting the details, the name, the roll number and the marks of a student. The definition of this function is being written inside the class. Alright. This is very important to understand, that we are writing down inside the class. So we are asking from the user here name, roll number and marks. You can also pass these values in these parentheses. तो आपको जैसे ठीक लगता है, कोई रूल नहीं यूज़ करना है आपने कि वैल्यूज़ पूछनी है, पास करनी है, एक ही तरीके से काम करना है. नो, इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस एज अ कंफर्टेबल वे, you use this asking from the user as the your method. The second function is put details. That means printing. We are just printing the data that we had asked, the name, roll number and the marks. Okay. And can you just did you just notice I am using the name, the roll number, the marks, which are the members of the class, inside these functions very casually. आराम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Why? Because data members and member functions are the members of the same class, children. Okay, I am in the same class. So when I am in the same class, I can use the data members, these data members in these member functions easily. There will be no stopping. ये name, roll number और marks, ये तीनों चीज़ें मैं दोनों functions में यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये हमारी क्लास बन गई है. ठीक है, क्लास में दो चीज़ें बनाई हमने, एक तो डिक्लेयर किया और functions की definition दे दी है. Here both the function definitions were given inside the class. Same example can be used to write down the function outside the class also. Now let us create the object of the class. Object कैसे बनाते हैं? Write down the name of the class and write down the variable name. Variable name is the object. तो student S, यहाँ पे S क्या है? Object. Student क्या है? Class. Object is the data type of class object का. अब इस S से मैं क्या access करूँगी? Public functions. And what are the public functions? Get details. Public members मैं access करूँगी उससे get detail. और दूसरा है put detail. These are my two public functions, two member functions which are public. So I can access both of them with the help of this object that I have written here. ठीक है, ये हो गया. अब हम इसको रन कर रहे हैं. रन करने में एक एरर आया है. एरर इसलिए आया है क्योंकि हमने टोटल यूज़ किया है. टोटल इज़ नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ द क्लास. द मेंबर ऑफ द क्लास इज़ मार्क. तो यहाँ पे उसने वेरिएबल नॉट फाउंड बता दिया था हमारे को. नाउ वी रन इट, वी आर कंपाइलिंग इट. तो नाउ द कंपाइलेशन इज़ बीइंग डन. It will execute in the same manner as we have been doing for the simple other programs. नेम पूछेगा, रोल नंबर पूछेगा, मार्क्स पूछेगा, उसके बाद उसको डिस्प्ले करेगा. ये प्रोग्राम इतना ही कर रहा है. बट इन दिस प्रोग्राम इनहेरिटेंस इनकैप्सुलेशन और एब्स्ट्रैक्शन दोनों को यूज़ किया हुआ है हमने. ठीक है, ये काम किया है हमने. अब देखते हैं इफ़ another instance of the class has to be created. That means एक और object उसी class का अगर मैं बना सकती हूँ कि नहीं. Because children, I have already told that this is a built-in variable that you are creating, and a built-in variable will be same type जैसे हम लोग built-in data types के साथ बनाते हैं. आप int a, b भी लिख सकते हो. Similarly यहाँ पे I can write down student s, s1. Use the same functions. Again when I run the program, I get an error here because वहाँ पे सेमीकोलन नहीं है. सेमीकोलन लगाया. ठीक है, अब इसको हम एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे. तो एग्जीक्यूट करने पे हमारा it will ask name, roll number, class, marks. Print them. Again it will ask name, roll number, marks. Why? Because दो ऑब्जेक्ट से मैं दो बारी फंक्शन को कॉल कर रही हूँ. एंड द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू कॉल द फंक्शन, दैट मेनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स द फंक्शन विल गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड. तो ये एक सिंपल प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हम लोग क्लास क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और ऑब्जेक्ट के हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट को भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं as an instance of the class. Very important children, and you have to see this. Thank you.